Alright, y'all. We're on an adventure. It's a little different this time. It's a farm adventure. We're looking at some equipment for the farm. Little equipment, though.
Because we have a mini farm. Mini Ponderosa.
Mini Ponderosa. And we have a mini pocketbook. So
it's like so small. It's like this big.
I'm pretty sure what we're going to go look at is one of these. I'll post it in the video.
One of these.
But
as y'all know, we're gonna have trip snacks though.
Yeah.
Regardless of the purchase, we're gonna have trip snacks.
I hope this goes well because Wendy's has already made me mad.
Yeah.
So
It's like every Wendy's is a place. It's like they're worse than Waffle House. But you know what though? Waffle House has quality food and they're gonna feed you regardless of the drama.
And there's going to be at least entertainment. But besides the point. So here we go. Mr. Bobby Medlin was willing to meet me on a Sunday, but I think he's a little camera shy.
Wow.
These are the HQHD machine you see outside, except it's not pilot control. It's got front control.
What's the price difference between the pilot control and the front control?
$100.
$100.
Really not enough to.
No. Now this is the H15. There's two of them.
What's your favorite color?
It is my
H15. They got pilot control.
Yep. Look at that thing. It's purty.
Wow.
Gotta go touch the interior here. And play with the stick. I've been reading a bunch on these things.
That's got the back in it. You can you take it off right here. And sit down. It's got counterweights in it. That makes this a 10.5 unit. This is the heavy. This is the biggest one I carry. So, what do you think?
It's so cool.
It comes with the thumb. It comes with the thumb. It don't have pilot control. It's got front control. And then we'll pick up this right here. You can.
RIPA 319.
Yeah, it doesn't have the backhoe control.
Yep. This has got the hydraulic thumb. It's got the attachments for the future. If you want to tie in future things by taking this off, hinge, and there's the motor. Okay.
Where's your phone at, honey?
Got all the controls here. You don't have no foot pedals on this one. Okay. So this one here operates the up and down blade, the up and down blade. This one here operates the mechanical thumb when you hook it up. Okay. This right here goes forward and backwards, and then these two operate the boom up and down. But this one's got the hinge on it, and you can hook the filter for the hydraulics. That one does. That's why I like it.
Yeah, I like that. And I see where people are putting fans and coolers on them too.
Yeah. Oh well. Yeah. You can do that on.
Mr. Bobby spent probably an hour and a half walking us through all the different machines. He's letting me measure, see how far up the boom will go. Good fella. I like doing business with him. Boy, let me tell you what, this thing is not a smooth ride. It will jiggle your fat rolls. And try to butt you out sometimes.
Just flip the battery.
Yep. Which one is the front?
That's all you got to do. That's it. And then climb back out front.
Yep.
I like the pilot control personally, but that's just me. Now this has got front control. Look. It's cold.
Cold. It is cold.
This one will get the jelly rolls going too. I kind of felt like a monkey trying to ride a football sitting on this thing.
Few moments later.
We got the big pretty one.
Had to break the cover.
Free delivery, y'all.
Oh.
First things first. We're gonna take the panties off these handlebars here.
God, just like the cornbread. That is bad for the environment. Yeah. pick those up. Wait, don't crank up.
All right, it's been here for a whole...
About an hour.
So let's go get it dirty.
Turn it on.
It likes being choked.
No, it doesn't. I like your interior. It's nice.
It's real fast.
Yeah.
Wide open.
Your thingy hits the ground.
Definitely gonna have to put the hydraulic thumb on here, because that one's always in the way.
I love how everybody is very curious about your new little toy. Otis, Patsy, Bernadette. What do you guys think? Meh. I'm gonna go with general consensus is it's a cool thing.
No, my weenus.
And Paula says she wants you to hurry up. Whoa! We're done.
Well, as y'all can see, I put the Mini here to good use. Took down some trees and moved some big logs and all kinds of stuff. But so far, man, this thing's a lot stronger than it has weight to hold. The only thing I really don't like about it so far is that thumb. That thumb is in the way for most things. But when I bought it from Mr. Bobby, I got a hydraulic thumb to go with it. I just got to put it on there. So I'm gonna run it a little bit more. Changed oil on it. So far, I'm tickled. Well, I went ahead and just took the thumb off. That helps with digging a lot. Just dug a little hole. This thing beats the hell out of a shovel every day. Every day. So I'm going to change the oil on it. And I think we're going to call it quits on this video. Want to thank KC Ventures for being easy to deal with. I appreciate Mr. Bobby being a good guy and willing to let me run these things. Alright, well, unbolted the back plate. I'm going to have to put some hinges on here eventually. Going to change the oil, see how that looks, but I'm noticing I want to do something with that, and that's not going to get it. Let's see what this oil looks like. If I can get in there. Looks pretty good. Doesn't look terrible. I heard it's canola oil or something crazy, but I'm gonna put some Rotella in there because that's what I got. Alright, we back. We got distracted. Had to get the boys' lawnmower going. Got the Rotella in there. Made an awful mess everywhere. Everywhere. That'll be about all we're gonna do on this video. Next one on this will probably be putting the hydraulic thumb on. Thank y'all for watching.